Just going to pour this in. And you can use this around the rims as well, but we are just going to damp this a little bit and see where we want this to be and see if this really works. Okay, so that is enough. It has covered and it says to leave it for 5 minutes, and so I'm going to set the timer. So I'm just going to set the timer for 5 minutes and let's see. All right, so as you can see, that's the timer. Okay, so I really didn't see anything really happening. That's how it's been. I don't know if it really did anything, so I am going to scrub. Just going to scrub and see if anything happens at all. Okay, so should I flash it or just wait a little bit? Let's see. Okay, I think I'm going to give it another 5 minutes after we've and see. Alright, so I have left this for another 5 minutes after scrubbing, so we are just going to give it one more scrub. Okay, now let's just flash. Alright, so friends, this has really worked. It works a bit. It takes a lot out. You can see, you can't see much of it now. Even though we still have some, you can see some hiding there. But it really works. I think if you give it a time, wait for a while, it will really get everything out.